There are several ways to increase creativity. Here are some tips. 1. Seek out new experiences, expose yourself to new ideas, cultures, and activities. Travel, try new hobbies, or take a class in something you've never tried before. This can stimulate your brain and help you generate new ideas. 2. Practice brainstorming, set aside time to brainstorm and come up with as many ideas as possible, without judgment or criticism. This can help you generate creative ideas and improve your problem-solving skills. 3. Take breaks from your work or creative projects to give your brain time to rest and recharge. This can help you come back with fresh ideas and a renewed perspective. 4. Engage in activities that relax you. Engage in activities that help you relax, such as meditation, yoga, or listening to music. This can help reduce stress and free up mental space for creativity. 5. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with others can help you generate new ideas and perspectives. Working with people who have different skills and backgrounds can help you approach problems in new and innovative ways. 6. Embrace your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. This can help you develop a more positive mindset and feel more comfortable taking risks and trying new things. 7. Practice creativity regularly. Make creativity a regular part of your routine. Set aside time to engage in creative activities, whether it's writing, painting, or cooking. The more you practice, the more creative you'll become. Remember, creativity is not just about being artistic. It can be applied to all areas of life, from problem solving to decision making. By following these tips, you can increase your creativity and unlock your full potential.